This is exactly how I failed No Nut November last year. I was going pretty strong with the first few days because I had all that motivation and excitement to not relapse, and this is gonna be the month and the year that I finally don't relapse, and I never even do it, and boom, my life is gonna be so much greater. But after saying all of that, I did nothing to change it. I made no changes with the last year or any other time I relapsed. So on day 3 of No Nut November, I saw some meme short, which was basically like, warning sign if you're on No Nut November, warning sign if you haven't relapsed yet, and then it showed a picture of like some dog. It was, yeah, haha, funny meme. But then I thought about it. I was like, oh yeah, that's right, it's November, I forgot. Okay, yeah, I'm on No Nut November. I hope I don't relapse. I hope this month I'm actually able to do it and I don't actually mess up. And then I kept on thinking about it. As days and days, I try to do stuff about it. I try to go outside. I try to not think about it, but it still crept my mind. Because I was like, oh, it's November 9th. All right, let me just... Ugh. And then I just kept on thinking about it. So then eventually, when I was feeling bored one day when I got home from school, it was too cold to go outside. And I was kind of tired that day. So I was just going on YouTube, watching video after video after video. Then after being bored for about 30 minutes, it's 4 p.m. and my parents aren't going to be home in a while, and I've been pretty much doing whatever I wanted to do, and I was pretty bored. I was pretty tired. I wanted some energy to do something else, to get motivated to work out. So after thinking about nothing to do and feeling terrible, that's when my urges started rising up. I could feel it go through my body and just like, I could feel it go through my body. I could feel it go through, the fuck? I could feel it go through my body. I went on TikTok without an account because TikTok's cringe. But I still went on TikTok. I go to this one account on TikTok that I have saved on my phone because I typed it so many times, which I saw some from a YouTuber I watched who was doing some TikTok funny moment compilation. And then I go on that channel, see the same videos again. And then after my urges being through the roof, I take a shower. I go in the shower, I turn on the water, and then, I'm taking a shower, right? Yeah, I'm just taking a shower. And then when it comes to the body wash, I put about like a handful of, like, all the way here. I put this much of body wash, and then as I'm in the shower, I do it, and then I clean up, and then an hour later, when I get out the shower, yes, an hour, when I get out the shower, my feet are still sticky, regretting everything that I did. I wish I never done that. I wish I wasn't feeling so tired and didn't think about my future self. Why didn't I listen to all the tens and hundreds of No Nut November videos I watched? Why didn't I listen to any of that? I just finished going from the shower and ready to do the next thing, but my parents are already home. My parents are home. I feel terrible. I have to pretend to be happy. Hello, hello. It sounds disgusting and stupid to do, but that's literally what 99% of people do on No Nut November. They do nothing to change it. They feel tired. They don't think about their future self. They do the same things over and over and over again. This doesn't mean you're gonna do it exactly like how I did, but it's gonna be the same thing. You're gonna have some urges, you're gonna feel a little tired one day, and then you're gonna forget about NoFap. You're gonna forget about No Nut November, make some excuse for doing it, and then don't even think about it. Like, I literally had like 5 minutes to think about, should I relapse or not? So many times I was like, should I relapse or not? Should I do it? I haven't done it in a while, and it might feel good, and time I will actually do something productive when I relapse. And then it never happened. Because I kept thinking about it, engaging in the thought, and going on social media, of course it was gonna happen. So this is exactly how you're gonna fail No Nut November. This is why you'll fail. Because you keep going on social media, you keep going on YouTube. You think YouTube's safe? Have you not seen some of the videos? Have you not seen some of the thumbnails? How is that not gonna give you urges? It is. This is exactly how you're gonna fail. And you might think, oh no, this isn't gonna happen to me. It's gonna happen 2 weeks later. It might have already happened. It might happen tomorrow. It's gonna happen. It's literally gonna happen. If you want to prove me wrong though, you can delete your social media. Delete YouTube. Make this the last video you watch. Go outside, leave your environment. Say no out loud as soon as you're about to relapse. When you think about the urges and you're debating on whether you want to do it or not, I want you to think about me when you do it. Don't think about me when you do it, but think about me when you're debating on whether you want to do it or not. Say no out loud. No. I want you to do that right now. No. No. Say no. I don't know why you haven't said it yet. Say no. No. Every time you get urges, do push-ups, do a plank, do wall sits, go outside. Live your life. Live your life. Stop thinking about it. Stop worrying about NoFap and NoFap, I relapsed 2 weeks ago and I don't want it to happen again. Live your life. Stop thinking about it. Stop worrying about it. Live your life and do the things that you can do. It's not life or death if you're gonna relapse one time, but don't think about it. Stop thinking about it, because this is exactly how you're gonna relapse if you don't do these things. Prove me wrong. Uninstall all your social media. Make this the last video you watch. Stop going on the internet when you don't need to. Seriously. Start living your life more. Do more things that you know are right, and do the self-improvement things that you already heard about. Do it. Genuinely do it. If you think I'm wrong, if you think you're actually gonna win No Nut November, if you think you're not gonna relapse, do this. Do it. Make this the last video you watch. Don't click and watch this video. You don't have to even subscribe to my channel. Don't. I wouldn't even say subscribe to my channel, because I'm gonna be posting more videos about NoFap and other videos. And if you really don't want to relapse, then don't watch the videos. Don't watch any YouTube. Don't watch anything. Literally, I'm saying that you don't have to watch my videos. You can literally click off as I'm talking right now if you're gonna actually implement the things I just said. If you're that serious about it, if you really want to win No Nut November and if you care about it that much, then do it. If not, then be at risk that you're probably gonna relapse. Until you could finally have some freaking discipline, do this. If you found this video somewhat helpful or interesting, you found the right channel. Don't subscribe, don't click and watch this video if you don't want to. But I'll see you later, hopefully, when you finally build up the discipline to not relapse. So, till next time.